Hello everybody, we got another history video, and folks, this is one I think, if you watch my channel long enough, you know about this certain locomotive you're seeing right in front of you. Yes, ELS 5405, aka the jump scare train, all from the 2020 video when I caught this engine 501 doing switching in Pembine. I got jump scared by a legit locomotive. But let's talk about the locomotive. It is an EMD SD60. It was built as an OWY 9033 SD60. It was built in November of 1986. The newer of our engines we've seen yet on this thing, by the way, folks. SD second newest, but behind the SD70Ws. But yeah, this one has been well known on this channel as the jump scare train, and it also has probably one of the worst horns. But it was also, folks, an EMD X9033, a G MTX 9033. So it's been in different engines during its time on the Canadian National. And it looks like around 2012 it started to be on the Canadian National, or could have been earlier, I'm not sure of the answers. But there is some cool stories about this one. Obviously, for my channel, the only big story you guys would just know it for is just me getting scared the crap out of. But yeah, that is it for this one, folks. Another one, these are not really the longer ones, truthfully. Stay tuned. I will talk about the locomotive in the next episode. Actually, hold on. I should talk about the locomotive. I'm not going to deny you guys talking about the SD60s. We'll talk about it in the next episode also. These are built between 1984 and 1995. 1,144 of these engines were produced. The primary was an EMD 16/710. G3A is a V16 diesel, 3,800 horsepower, 70 miles an hour. But yeah, and folks, technically, we went this all into one giant episode because technically, 5405 would insist with all of our other SD60 locomotives from 6400 all the way to 5400 to 5488. I have caught in a ton of these because of me catching Canadian National Pembine. I am all too familiar to the EMD SD60 locomotives, and I will give you the list of how many I've caught. I've caught 54, 52, 5450, 5405, 5400, 5422, 5449, 5404, 5413, 5428, 5436, 5488, 5408, 5453, 5442, and 54. Actually, that's a different locomotive. I can't talk about 5337. That's a different locomotive. But there you guys go. This is just the SD60 collection. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure hit the like, hit the sub. Stay tuned. Next up, folks, is Canadian National 2302, 2329. 2329 and 2555. That'll be the next one. See you guys for the next one. Peace out, everybody.